Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You looking for a really good quality legging that will outlast all of your workouts? I have it here. These are these awesome leggings from CompressionZ. These are a super nice quality legging that will endure through every type of workout. So I've tried these in cycling, I've tried them in strength training, and I've washed them several times. Sometimes you get leggings and they tend to start feeling stretchy either as soon as you get them or definitely after washing, but not the case with these. I really appreciate that they have a nice, comfortable, high waistband that does not move while you do, and they also have generous size pockets. All of the stitching on these is done really well. They taper right down to the ankle on my 5'4" frame, and they don't ride up or roll at the waist at all. They are a polyester spandex mix, and you can definitely tell from when you receive them and use them that they will outlast all of your workouts. I also really appreciate that when you wash and line dry them, they feel like brand new when I put them back on. I really like my leggings to stay in place while I work out, whether it be a strength training or even a floor workout, but these definitely have stood the test of time. They're an awesome, well-made, high-quality legging, but that's just my point of view.